Let's do a DIY fabric painting in just 5 minutes. This is the fabric on which I'm going to paint. You can take any fabric of your choice. For this we need to spread the fabric on a table. I'm using the ironing board for this. First of all, you need to place some newspaper or any other paper underneath the fabric. I'm using a stencil for this. This is available online or in any other art and craft stores. You will need fabric paint of your choice. Here I'm using pink, brown and black. Then you will need sponge. I'm using 3 of them here for 3 different colors. So let's start painting. For this I've taken a little bit of paint and we'll have to start dabbing it onto the stencil. I put the pink color in between. Make sure that the stencil doesn't move. You can stick tapes on the side of the stencil. Then I'm using the brown very close to the pink shade here. Then the last color, black, onto the edges. When you're dabbing it, make sure that it is getting applied everywhere perfectly. And it's done. So let's lift this stencil carefully. Then I made a couple of them again there and here. And also I made a different pattern with only pink color. I've put dots in between to just highlight it. Then I designed a gown out of this. Please comment below if you like this and please subscribe for more such videos. If you like this video, please do support and subscribe to DJ Food and Lifestyle. Thank you for watching.